Hello student. Yesterday we solved exercise 2.3 up to question number 4. Today we start with question number 5. Okay, it's word problem. Look, question number 5. Sally plants 4 sampling in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent sampling. Okay, plants 4 sampling of plants are there. Okay, suppose here 1, 2, 3 and 4 samplings are there. Okay, distance between two adjacent means nearest, that is 3/4 meter. Distance between 1, 2 and 3, 4 samplings are there. Distance between 1 and 2, that is 3/4. Same between 3 and 4, that is also 3/4. 2 and 3, same 3 and 4 is also 3/4 meter. Okay, so you just find the distance between first and last sampler, means distance between first and 4 equal to how much. Okay, so distance between first and last sampling equal to, look here, distance between 1 and 2 is 3/4, 2 and 3 is 3/4 and 3 and 4 that is also 3/4, means total distance is 3 times 3/4. Okay, so that is 3 into 3/4, 3 times 3/4 equal to, now multiplication of whole number with fraction. So what to do? Multiply numerator with numerator. So 3 into 3, 9/4. Improper fraction is there, so convert into fraction equal to, that is 9, 4, 2 is 8 and here 1. Integer part, so 2 integer 1/4 meter. Okay, so distance between first and last sampling is 2 integer 1/4 meter. Okay, next number 6. Lipika read a book for 1 integer 3/4 hours every day. That means she read 1 integer 1 integer 3/4 hours daily, and she read the entire book in 6 days. Okay, that means she read that book in 6 days. Okay, in one day she read 1 integer 3/4 hours and complete that book in 6 days. So she takes, means she required to read that book in hour equal to, so total hours she required to read that book equal to 1 integer 3/4 in one day, in 6 day multiply with 6. In one day 1 integer 3/4, in 2 day 2 times 3/4, in 3 day 3 times 3. So in 6 day 6 times, means 6 into 1 integer. Okay, improper fraction convert into mixed fraction, convert into improper. 4 ones are 4 and 3, 7/4 into 6. Okay, now cut the common factors between numerator and denominator. Here 3 twos are and here 2 twos are. So 7 3s are 21/2. Convert into mixed fraction, improper is there. 21 divided by 2, 1s are 2, here 0. 1 comes down, not possible. So that is 10 integer 1/2 hours. That means she required 10 integer 1/2 hours to complete that book. Clear? Okay, number 7. Look, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3/4 liter petrol? Okay, that means in 1 hour, in 1 liter petrol, in 1 liter petrol, car covered 16 km. Okay, so in 2 integer 3/4 liter, how much distance it cover? Okay, now here cross multiplication, that means 2 integer 3/4 into 16. Now mixed fraction convert into improper, 4 to the 8 and 3 11/4 into 16. 4 4 the 16 equal to 11 4 the 44. So that is 44 km. Means car covered 44 km in 2 integer 3/4 liter petrol. Clear? So easy. Okay. Question number 8. Look in your textbook. That is fill in the blanks is there. Okay. Look. 8 in that A in that pawn. Provide the number in the box such that 2 divided by 3 into box, that is 2 divided by 3 into box equal to 10/30. Okay. Here also fraction is there. So what to do? Multiplication is there. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into dash equal to 10. Which number will come? So 2 5s are, we know that 2 5s are 10. And same here, 3 6 are, see 10s are 30. So your answer is 5/10 for A1. Okay. In that second one, simplest form the number obtained in box. Okay. Number obtained equal to 5/10. Now simplest form means just cut the factors, common factors between numerator and denominator. That is 5 means 5 into 1 and 10 means 5 into 2. 5 cut. So your answer is 1/2. Clear? Okay. Same in second one. Look, provide the number such that in the box such that 3/5 into dash. Look, 3/5 into box equal to 24 into 75 here. So 3 into dash equal to 24. Okay, just count it. Table of 3, 3 8s are. Similar, 5 into dash equal to 15. If you don't understand that one, so what to do? Just divide 75 with 5. Okay, we know that 15 5s are. So your answer is 8/15. 8/15 will come in box. Okay, and simplest form of that one is, so here 8/15 equal to, if you don't cut directly, what to do? Just write down factors of that one. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, and that is 3 into 5. Any common numbers is there between 8 and 15? Factors of that one, no common numbers are there, so that is all directly 8/15. Okay, that is already simplest form. Clear? So easy. So you just complete exercise 2.3 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.